Okay, good morning. Welcome. You're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in Thamesford, Ontario. We're doing a pretty nice flat roof over the garage. So it's a bit of space. Inside, he wants to finish a flat roof so he can do his renovations. So go ahead, take a look. There's the house behind me, and we're going to put a new substrate, new base, new cap, heat weld all the seams, and do metal flashing. So I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. We did a bit of work. It's getting hot, so I want to get through it. But we put down the soper board, as well as the base sheet. You can see that we've actually added some asphaltic board to the perimeter, give it some rigidity, so it's a lot stronger. It gives a good substrate for the base and flashing. So there we go. We got a board siding we're going to tie onto, and a new metal cap. I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Okay, welcome back. We finished basing in the entire roof. One of the important things, you want to envelope the entire perimeter. Many times we get to site and they have wall issues. The membrane maybe stops at the bottom, maybe stops up here. But if you really want to waterproof the roof and do a good job, you need to envelope the entire perimeter. So I just want to show you what it looks like. We've primed it and we're ready for cap sheet. We'll apply the self-adhered cap sheet and then heat weld the seams. So what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the job. I think it turned out wonderful. Client's going to be thrilled. And now it gives him the opportunity to enjoy his garage. You can do renovations in there. You can put vehicles in there, and he knows that it's going to be dry. So there we go. We have the wall detail turned out nice. More importantly, we had to fully envelope the parapet. So there we go. We have a trough at the end. Hope you like it. Hope you learned something. If you are in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.